Hello everyone, welcome to Build Your Logics. In this video, we will look into a question which is asked by Accenture previously. What we have to do here is we have to convert the given text into this desired output, right? So we will write the code. Before that, we will be understanding the logic behind this. Okay. So what they have done is, uh, you can see here there are the three ones, right? So when it is comes to alphabetic order, if three ones means it is C, right? And when it comes zero, we have to reset. Okay, we have to reset it to zero, and we have to start the count again. And this is one. One means A, and we got again zero. Zero means we have to reset it to zero, and we have to start counting. And one, two, three, four. This is D, right? So we will be writing the code for this. We will be converting this given string to the desired output. So let's jump into the code. So the given text is 111 0 10 and 4 ones, and it is 0, right? So this is a given string. What we have to do is we need to get it into the cat, right? We have to get the output as cat. So I am writing a for loop over here, and this is the enhanced for loop, correct? So if when I is equal to 1, we have to start counting. Count is equal. I'm initializing a variable. I'm declaring a variable that is called count with value 0. So when we find a value of 1, we have to count. We have to increment the count by 1, right? So when we find 0 else, if not 1, otherwise it would be 0, right? So we will be resetting it to 0, right? The count will be resetting into 0, and I am declaring another the variable that is called res, correct? So over here, what I'm doing is I'm adding I'm concatenating the string over here with we have an inbuilt function. Where you can convert the numbers, right? The number, like every alphabet has some ASCII value. ASCII values are nothing but alphabets has some numbers, ASCII values. So A starts at 65, right? And B is 60, 66. It goes like this. 65 means capital A. We have ASCII values like this. If you want to know more, you can Google it, or else let me know in the comment section. I'll make a video on this too. And so what I'm doing is the alphabet starts at 65, right? So what I'm doing is I'm adding from 64 plus the count. So 64 plus count means what will happen here? Let's say we take this, right? That every time the one will come, the first time the one comes from the for loop, and we incremented the count by 1, and second time we got it incremented by 2, right? The count got incremented by 2. The count value is 2, not incremented by 2. It is the count value is 2, and when another one comes, it will be 3. The count value will be 3. In the else part, what we are doing is we are concatenating the string 64 plus count, 64 plus 3. This means this is the value of C, right? there we will get the 67. The value 67 is for C. And what I am doing is again is I'm I'm making the count again zero, back zero. Why? We have to start the count again. When it comes to like when it found the again one, the count is now the count value is one now. And over here we got another zero, and we came here into the else part, and the value became, what is the value over here? The previous rush is C plus char of 64 plus 1, that is 65. That is, it will become A. So like this it will run. I'll be showing you the output also. Just give me a minute. Print res. You will be seeing the desired output which we required. This is the desired output which we required for this. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section.